I'm Connor. We're reading the book Kid vs. Squid, and we're making predictions about what's going to happen, or if the cove that they're through, if it's another world, or if it's just, a cove that's at the end of the cave. So I think that it's like another world because it said there was like a boat down there, but if you read the book, it said that it was a tiny cove that they had to squeeze through one at a time. So I think like it sort of got them through a whole different area, sort of. So maybe sort of like a portal almost. But I think that it's another world. I mean, because like there was no. Well, the thing is there was no one around, so that's what makes me wonder. So.
I also think that it was part of another world, but I think that this place that they're in is actually the lost city of Atlantis that's like underneath the water, and because there was a girl that stole something and she went down this tunnel, and they just went through the tunnel that she went down, and they found like a huge cove that and they're gonna try to find out what it is.
I think it's also another world because they're going through all these rats and places, and it's like a secret hideout sort of thing. And I don't know why, but the little girl, she said that she was chasing her down through the place. And who would go in the cove unless there was another world down there? Yeah. Like, unless you were just going to hide there forever, and then you would die because there's nowhere to go. But where they're at, there might be another world or something.
I did not know.